Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got another video here for you. Today, we have the Rapala Xrap Extreme Shad Slash Bait. And it has a swimming depth of 7 to 15 foot, a weight of a ½ ounce, and a length of 3 1/8 inches. This particular one is the XRS 8 model. And it's a gold color. And I mean, as you can see, this sucker really shines. It really picks up the light. And it's like a rainbow color as the light shines on it. It's like a holographic look here. It's an absolutely beautiful bait. A beautiful crankbait. And as you can see, the hooks are sharp. Spoon bill. Got some feathers for a tail. And you have rings here that allow you to change out your hooks. I mean, one absolutely amazing bait. I am ready to get this on the water. And maybe when I get it on the water, I'll get a video for you of that. And if you like videos like this, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think, like the video. I'm always open to ideas. I do read all comments. But this is absolutely one amazing bait. It retails for around, according to where you're buying it, between $8.99 and $14.99. I purchased it on sale today at Walmart. Last one they had for $4.95. So always be checking your savings bins at your local sporting goods stores. You might come up with a little special like this right here. You can see this sucker just sharp, getting it all over myself. And I mean, there's absolutely nothing to do to this. Out of the box, it is ready to go. I'll get that out in a minute, but you can see, I mean, it absolutely sticks. Really sharp hooks. Let's do the fingernail. See how really sharp it is. Yeah, it sticks in my fingernail. I don't know if you can see where it's stuck. Been fishing today. There's a little dirt there. But there you go, guys. I mean, it is. They are absolutely sharp. It's absolutely beautiful. There you go, guys. Have a good one.